Before you begin, remove 7 of the rubber inserts and the stand bottom cover. Removal. Disconnect the fan cable from its connector on the motherboard. Remove the 3 P2 Phillips head screws for the fan. Remove the fan from the motherboard. Replacement. Note, each screw hole of the fan should have a rubber grommet installed. Replace any missing grommets. Press the rubber grommets on the fan over the standoffs on the bottom of the stand. Replace the 3 P2 Phillips head screws to secure the fan to the stand. Reconnect the fan cable to its connector on the motherboard.